Elon!
This is from Miami conference, the cryptocurrency Miami conference that is happening this weekend. You know, they say when you are surrounded by the army of believers and you overheat a little bit, then you get to do some really weird things. SRE Live here, back with another video, and this is my cryptocurrency update. We have the biggest crypto conference in Miami happening this weekend, and lots of news that came out of that. We have Max Keiser talking about that he doesn't like Elon Musk is because a lot of people don't like Elon Musk, is because he talks shit on Twitter with crypto, and then the cryptocurrency plunges, and it creates extra volatility on the market. Nobody likes it. So everybody wants to find another crypto king to represent the whole market. And now the best guess is Jack Dorsey, because he was on stage and he said, Bitcoin changes absolutely everything. I don't think there's anything more important in my lifetime to work on. So we should expect Jack to quit his job at Twitter and do full-time Bitcoin thing. We'll see on that. But in all seriousness, that does look pretty cool, and they are really bullish on that. Okay, the biggest news from the conference so far is that the El Salvador president came out and he said that he wants to make Bitcoin a legal tender in the country, which would be the first country in the world to adopt the digital currency, and it would be used alongside the US dollar as El Salvador's official currency. We'll see on that if that actually gets approved, but that's pretty big. Now, most importantly, where are we going with this market, with the crypto market? There are two scenarios. There are two scenarios, and what's really interesting, what's fascinating to me about where we are right now is that you could watch any YouTube video from the biggest influencer, from the most hyper-known expert, finance expert, and they will not know, because nobody really knows when the market's going to go. There are two options right now. We're either going back into the bull run and the Bitcoin is going to hit $70, $80, $100,000, or we're in the bear market and we're slowly going to see this downward trend. And if we look at the chart, this is from November until June, we could see we were going up, up, and up, and up, and up. And then we are slowly going down. We're slowly going down, but it kind of bounces back a little bit, bounces back, and we're going down. And at this point, it either goes up or it just keeps going down like this, right? And I want to show you a chart from 2017, which is the same time frame, October 2017 until June 2018. So let's look at what happened. We have Bitcoin at 5,200, and then it goes up, goes up, goes up. We went to 16, we went to 19, and then we went down, we went down, we went down. And here, if you see, like, we're at 17, right? So basically close to the absolute peak. But see what happens. It goes down, it goes up a little bit, goes down, and then recovers again. But it ultimately, you will ride it all the way down, 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 down. But it has this micro recoveries. It jumps back, jumps back, jumps back, but the price goes down. So we could be right now in 2021 here. We could be here. We could be here. Nobody really knows. And so you're making a bet where we are. And my bet is that we are going to continue in the bull run just because we have some really big news. There's a lot of adoption, and I just want to believe that. That's really as good as it gets, because there's no other validation, because nobody knows what's going to happen on the market. The other scenario is that we're in the bear market and we're going to ride it all the way down to $10,000 Bitcoin, $8,000 Bitcoin, $15,000 Bitcoin. We don't know, but it will go up and down, 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 down for the next 4 years, 3 years, whatever the time frame is. It is. And so there are two scenarios, and that's where you make your bet. I'm making my bet that we're going to go into the bull run, just because I think that's what's going to happen. There's a higher chance, but you could watch any video on YouTube. You could listen to anybody who knows as much as possible on crypto, and they will not have the right answer because nobody knows. If we look at my portfolio update, no changes at all. I haven't sold a single coin since I bought, and I bought it almost at the peak, which was the worst time to buy. And so I'm still down. If I take my whole portfolio, I'm down by $3,500, maybe close to $4,000. If we look at my complete portfolio, like everything that I've invested into crypto, I'm probably down by $2,000, maybe $3,000. And that's because I'm up on some coins like Ethereum and ADA. But overall, I'm still down. And so right now, it's just that uncertain time where there's a lot of fear and a lot of people, retail investors, they've exited the market because there was a lot of fear. They sold out at a loss or mostly at a loss. So that's where we are. Let me know what you guys think about the market. What are you doing with your crypto? I'd be curious. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. Peace.
I found a dream that I can speak to.